Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Trinidad-style hot pepper sauce using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 hot peppers, such as Scotch bonnets or habaneros, for that authentic kick. Also, have 4 cloves of garlic ready, along with 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of mustard powder to enhance the flavor profile. This simple list ensures a delicious, fiery sauce. Now let's get to the preparation. Carefully wash and roughly chop all your hot peppers and garlic cloves. Remember to wear gloves to protect your hands from the intense heat of the peppers. Safety first. Once chopped, combine these ingredients in a food processor or blender. Add the 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. This mixture is the heart of your sauce. Next, blend the mixture until it reaches your desired smooth consistency. Some prefer it slightly chunky, while others like it completely pureed. Once blended, taste and adjust the salt or vinegar if needed to achieve a perfect balance of flavor and heat. Finally, carefully pour your freshly made hot pepper sauce into clean, sterilized glass bottles. This ensures it stays fresh and ready to enjoy for weeks. Your delicious, homemade Trinidad-style hot pepper sauce is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for adding a fiery kick to eggs, meats, soups, or anything that needs a flavor boost. Store the sealed bottles in the refrigerator, where your sauce will stay fresh for up to 3 months. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.